I have a deep appreciation for all of the kumu who helped me rear my keiki.
Sending our child away is a hard thing unless we know who is taking care of them. So to know that these kumu are caring for my child, I am just so grateful.
You know, it's a big kuleana, you know, because you help to mold children, you help to empower them.
Excellent kumu are at the core of our community.
I think kumu are very important to be able to provide that expertise in that subject matter that we as parents just may not have.
My daughter is a freshman at Kamehameha School. Kumu over here got her really interested in the culture, so it's kind of like getting us back into learning more, you know what I mean, wanting to learn more too.
My son tells me the other day, and it kind of caught me off guard, and he said, "Thanks, Dad, for sending me to the best school in the world." And I said, "Why do you think that?" And he goes, "Because of the experiences and the opportunities I have and kumu. Like, I have some pretty incredible teachers."
I'd like to thank the kumu of Kamehameha and what they've done for my son, for the haumana, for his classmates, for the families at the school.
Our keiki have benefited greatly from each and every one of the kumu that they've had here at Kamehameha Schools.
I certainly want to express my deep gratitude and thanks to all of the kumu that have helped to shape my keiki's learning.
Just thank you for loving her the way we love her and making her so happy and having a place to feel comfortable and be herself and talk to and know that she's supported and loved here at school.
To the kumu, I extend my deepest appreciation and mahalo for inspiring keiki, but also for seeing the keiki as an extension of themselves.